Hello guys and welcome again in this video. Today I'm gonna talk on We Love Discounts shop reviews. This topic is becoming very much popular, especially in the United Kingdom. So let's proceed further and know more about it. This website does not belong to us and we are here to give you an unbiased review regarding this website. Also guys, I request you that to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any queries regarding the return or the refund, you can click on our description area to find the links to get the money back. Now let's proceed further and know more about it. As you know, this website is dealing with all-in-one power tool, and let's find out what is its properties. The orders are bought today, will ship out today, and it's just for £25.95. Also, if you want to check the payment mode, it is Visa, MasterCard and American Express. If you want to check out its shipping policy, they do not have any separate shipping link, but yes, they have mentioned about the shipping. If you just scroll above, and they have mentioned about shipping here, that there is free shipping only for today, and they say that orders that are bought today will ship out today. Then let's proceed further and know more about its legitimacy checkpoint. It was found that it belongs to a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign, and its website age was checked on WHOIS, and it was found that it has been registered on 21st of Feb 2021. So this is basically quite a recent website, but if you check out its customer reviews, it has good customer rating. Also, if you want to check out its about us page, let's find out. Here they have mentioned about the privacy policy, refund policy, but over here they've given opening hours, but there is no such about us page. They do not have any contact us page as well. They have just mentioned the payment mode here and some of the customer reviews, and that's it. Now let's check out its refund policy. Over here we can find that on clicking on the refund policy, the products can be returned within 14 days of the receipt of the shipment. Okay, and now if you have any queries regarding return or refund, you can mention that in the comment box. Now moving back, let's find out its website content quality. The website content quality is good enough and you can trust on its reviews as well. Its Trustpilot reviews were found, and it's seen that it has 88% reviews which are excellent and 13% which are bad. I will read out some of the good customer reviews. It has 5-star rating, and it says that I recently purchased an item from the company and at first had difficulty with the delivery, but part of the item arrived and the second part didn't. But then I called them and the phone was answered immediately. So they have given 5 stars. Other person has also given 5 stars, saying absolute fantastic company. And if you check out their social media presence, they do not have any social media presence, but I would like to say their traffic is quite good enough. So I would like to say that they have good positive reviews on Trustpilot and they have good reviews on the website as well, but it is a recent website, so do invest your money here only by checking about this website and the customer reviews. It does appear to be a legit one. If you have any queries regarding this website, do mention in the comment box, and for return and refund, click on our description area to get the links to get the money back. So do like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much and have a great day.